The 14th Forum Economic Ministers meeting called FEM is about to take place on the island as delegations for the meeting arrive in tomorrow. Most of the ministers will be represented. New Zealand is expected to be represented by Associate Finance Minister Honourable Simon Powers. The discussions will look at measures to broaden the economic base of forum members. According to the Secretary-General of the Pacific Island Forum, Tuiloma Slate, discussions will be focused on policy responses to the global economic crisis. At this year's FEM, the discussions are expected to cover developments since the last meeting and aim to focus on ways in which the economic base of forum member countries could be broadened as part of the efforts to build the economic resilience of member countries. In this context, the ministers will discuss a report on the progress made by the Foreign Fisheries Ministers on the issues of improving returns from the region's fisheries sector. Mr. Slade also said an overview of the key issues on improving revenue collection in Forum Island countries, with particular reference to addressing the impacts of the global economic crisis and trade liberalisation, which was a mandate from the 2009 FEM, will be presented to the economic ministers. The 2010 FEM will also discuss one of the deliverables under the Cairns Compact, which is the roadmap aimed at strengthening public finance management, including expenditure management, revenue, procurement, accountability and monitoring systems in Forum Island countries. The Forum Economic Ministers will also consider options to improve access to and management of climate change resources, as well as how to improve opportunities for private sector growth in the region. The meeting will take place from the 26th to the 28th of October. Niue's Finance Minister, Honourable Premier Talangi, is also due to arrive in with most of the meeting delegations tomorrow.